Hello and welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginner tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Huobi HTX Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Huobi Wallet app on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. You will then see the sign up button. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can use either your phone number or your email address to create your account. You can also directly use your Google or Telegram account by tapping on the respective buttons. Just enter your preferred email address and then tap on the next button. And now you will just need to solve a small puzzle. Once it is completed, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to this inbox. So check your email and you will find your verification code. Once you enter this code within the given box, you are now allowed to create a password for your account. After entering the password, you also have the option to use a referral code if you wish. Finally, tap on the confirm button. And now your account has successfully been registered. You can enable passkey and biometrics if you wish, or skip it for now as well. You will also be asked whether you would like to link Google Authenticator right now, and you can follow this right away, or do this later as well. And now you have been taken to your newly created account right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the HTX Huobi wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.